Hi everyone, this is Capsos challenge lock number 2. It's originally an era cylinder. There's the missing on the key. I suspect it may only be pinned for 5 pins. That key is distinctly non-standard to me. The lock does work very nicely. Now there's a number of ways you can tension this. I'm going to try pin side on this occasion. Either way it seems to get in the way at some point or other. Okay, just putting the pick in gives us a little bit of a false set, which is always nice. It immediately goes away on pin 4. Got it snagged up at the back there. It's definitely something odd with the, I think it's the back pin. Seems to be up higher than the others. That's probably just my imagination. I'm just trying to build a mental picture of what's going on in these locks as you pick them. Okay, it's very light tension with this, if I haven't said that already. Just go through these pins one more time. Feeling I may have overset something. That sort of weak sounding click noise it's a bad sign. I'm just going to ease off the tension. Don't know if you heard that very faint click there. Something popping back up. Okay. Sure where the next pin is. To set something again. Tensioning so light that you actually have to wind it back the other way to drop those pins. Okay, we've gone into a pulse set. It's there we go. Opened it on pin 6. And I have to say that's probably the most fun I've had with the lock. It's a really rewarding pick. Lots of things you have to do to get the thing open. Kind of rewards you incrementally, and then is not impossible to open. So thank you to Capsos for making this. It's a really great lock. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you soon.